There are very few animals that can be called beautiful predators, but the jaguar is one of them. This beast has been ruling the jungle for thousands of years. The jaguar is famous for its elusive nature, which makes it one of the most exciting cats to observe in the wild. There's no other cat that's more complex than the jaguar. However, the main reason why the jaguar is feared by all the animals living in its territory is its strength. In this episode, we will tell you how strong the jaguar is, what dangerous animal dares to attack it, and what kind of prey the jaguar prefers to hunt. You will also learn some other amazing facts about this unique predator. So get ready and let us dive into the secrets of the most stealthy and powerful predator of the jungle. The jaguar is one of the most powerful felines in the world and the strongest swimmer among them. It can drag down prey twice as heavy as itself. Jaguars are apex predators. They feed mainly on mammals, including pecuries, tapirs, capybaras, deer, and even camels. Their bite force equals 1,000 psi, which is enough to kill an adult human. Even though the jaguar is the third largest cat after the tiger and lion, it's considered the most courageous and ferocious of them all. What makes the jaguar special is its ability to adapt to various environments, from swamps and grasslands to dry forests. In each habitat, the jaguar behaves differently, relying on its natural abilities to hunt different prey. Each individual has its own vast territory, ranging from 267 to 500 square miles. Jaguars are mostly active during the night, although they often hunt at dawn or dusk when their prey is most active. These cats lead a solitary life. They communicate with each other only during mating season, when males attract females with their loud roars. Jaguars have excellent swimming skills. They move through the water like seals, using their paws to propel themselves forward. In the water, the jaguar becomes almost invisible, but it still remains a skilled hunter. Among all the variety of habitats that the jaguar has chosen for itself, it's worth highlighting the Brazilian Pantanal. This region is full of reservoirs, marshes, and floodplain forests. It's home to a large population of jaguars, as well as an abundance of prey animals, which makes it ideal for jaguars to live here. However, these areas are threatened by rising water levels, which can lead to flooding and destruction of jaguar habitat. Moreover, increased water levels can cause a decrease in the number of prey animals, which leads to starvation of jaguars. However, despite these challenges, jaguars continue to thrive in these areas thanks to their adaptability and hunting skills. It's important to note that jaguars play an essential role in maintaining the balance of their ecosystem. By preying on other animals, they help control their populations and prevent the ecosystem from being overgrown by herbivores. In addition, as jaguars move around their territory, they disperse seeds and help plants reproduce, which contributes to the biodiversity of the ecosystem. The Brazilian Pantanal is a UNESCO World Heritage Site and one of the most important wetland areas in the world. It provides habitat for numerous plant and animal species, many of which are endangered. Jaguars are among the most iconic inhabitants of this region, and their protection is crucial for preserving the biodiversity of the Pantanal. Jaguars are not just powerful predators, they are also incredibly smart and cunning hunters. When attacking prey, they rely not only on their strength and speed, but also on their intelligence. For example, jaguars sometimes purposefully allow their prey to escape in order to drive it into an area where there is more open space and less vegetation. This allows the jaguar to use its full strength and speed to catch up with the prey and overpower it. Another interesting fact is that jaguars are able to jump up to 3 meters vertically and 6 meters horizontally. This allows them to jump over obstacles or catch prey that tries to hide behind rocks or trees. In addition, jaguars have several tricks up their sleeve that help them get the upper hand over their prey. For example, jaguars are able to swim underwater for up to 15 minutes and can hold their breath while doing so. This allows them to ambush fish or other aquatic animals that live in the waters of the Brazilian Pantanal. Overall, jaguars are highly adaptable and intelligent predators that use their skills and cunning to successfully hunt a wide variety of prey in diverse environments. But despite all the power of the jaguar, there are some animals that dare to attack it. The main ones are caimans. Although the jaguar is a formidable predator, it still has its limitations. When faced with a caiman, the jaguar may choose to retreat rather than risk injury or death. Despite being agile and strong, the jaguar can find it difficult to navigate in the water and may be outmaneuvered by the caiman. In addition, the armor of the caiman, along with its powerful bite, can pose a serious threat to the jaguar. Therefore, the jaguar avoids confrontation with caimans and prefers to hunt other prey. Some people think that it would be interesting to see a fight between a jaguar and a caiman. If the two animals meet in the wild, there's always a possibility of a clash. However, such encounters are rare as jaguars generally avoid areas inhabited by caimans. It is also important to consider that both jaguars and caimans are apex predators in their respective ecosystems and play a vital role in maintaining the balance of nature. As solitary hunters, they depend on their individual skills and strength to survive. Therefore, it's unlikely that a jaguar and caiman would form an alliance. But if they did team up, they could become an unstoppable force in the wild. Imagine a jaguar's agility combined with a caiman's powerful bite. Such a duo could potentially hunt very large prey that neither animal could take down alone. However, it's just a fantasy, as jaguars and caimans are natural enemies and rivals for food. Another animal that can stand up to a jaguar is the peccaries, are large, muscular pigs with long snouts and tusks that can reach up to 40 inches in length. They are known for their aggressive behavior and can defend themselves against predators such as jaguars. During a confrontation with a jaguar, peccaries use their tusks as weapons, inflicting painful wounds on the predator. In addition, peccaries move in groups, which makes it difficult for a jaguar to attack them. This can discourage the jaguar from further pursuit and lead to its retreat. Despite their size, peccaries are fast and agile animals that can easily outrun a jaguar over long distances. The jaguar is a magnificent creature, but it also faces significant threats in the wild. One of the main dangers for the jaguar is habitat loss due to deforestation and agricultural expansion. As the jaguar's habitat shrinks, it becomes more difficult for them to find food and mates, which leads to a decline in their population. Another threat is poaching, as jaguars are sometimes hunted for their fur or killed as a result of human-wildlife conflict. In addition, climate change poses a threat to the jaguar's habitat, leading to changes in the availability of prey and water resources. To protect the jaguar, conservation efforts are underway to preserve its habitat, combat poaching, and raise public awareness about the importance of protecting this species. However, despite these efforts, the jaguar remains on the list of endangered species The future of the jaguar depends on our actions today. If we don't take steps to protect them, the jaguar could disappear from the wild. Now, let's share some incredible facts about the jaguar. Did you know that jaguars have unique rosette-shaped fur patterns? Each jaguar has its own pattern, just like a human's fingerprints. These rosettes help camouflage the jaguar in its environment, making it more difficult for prey to spot them. Jaguars are very good at climbing trees and often use trees to stalk their prey. They can jump up to 6 meters horizontally when jumping from a tree. Jaguars are also good swimmers and are able to swim long distances without getting tired. These majestic creatures can live up to 20 years in the wild and reach sexual maturity around 2 to 3 years of age. Females usually give birth to 2 to 4 cubs, and the cubs stay with their mother for up to 2 years, learning hunting skills and other important life skills. The jaguar is truly an amazing animal. Its strength, agility, and hunting skills make it a formidable predator. In addition, its unique fur pattern, climbing skills, and swimming abilities make it a truly remarkable creature. The jaguar plays an important role in maintaining the balance of its ecosystem, and its protection is crucial for the health of our planet. So next time you see a jaguar, remember that you're looking at one of the most magnificent and powerful creatures in the world.